Welcome back, guys. It is the third video tutorial on C programming, and in this video I am going to tell about comment. Comment is basically a part of code which the compiler is gonna ignore. If you write a code like that, like basic code, stdio, you are gonna write a basic code and you save this in the compiler, save this and compile this, so it's gonna run, and basically this becomes a comment. This line becomes a comment. Now comment is a part when the compiler reaches here, he sees that it is a comment. It is a syntax of adding a comment. I'm gonna come on that part. When the compiler reaches here, it is gonna say that, oh, it's a comment, I am gonna ignore it. It's for the coder. Now what does a comment do? Comment makes your program more readable to your teammates or your project guide, etc, etc. Now basically you are making very short programming, so you can't recognize what I want to tell. But if you make a very large programming, then you will get what am I gonna tell. Now here's a comment. So this line basically doesn't affect the code. It will run without it. Compile and run with it. Basically the same. Okay, now if I go for a live example, so this is a programming big style program. Okay, let me split the screen. Okay, these are two programmings which I was writing here. I just wrote it. It was my biggest programming I had ever done. So in here, the same programming I am written here is basically 3000 lines code, and basically written here without comment, and this part with comments. Now if you are gonna read this programming, this one, then you can't understand even what I wanted to do, what I did. But these are comments which says that what I am doing at that line, at that particular function. Now what is this function, I will discuss later, but for now you just understand that it is a part that is the compiler is gonna totally ignore it. Okay, now comment has a various field of application, so I'm gonna control them. Why it is not getting merged? Not merged. Comment has a various applications. Now syntax of giving a comment. A comment is always syntaxed by 2 double slashes, and after that whatever you want to write, you can write in between the comment. That will be a comment. And there is another way to writing comment. You write anything you want, any much lines in between this is / star and */. That will be a comment. Any numbers of lines, it will be a comment. Now always remember, if you start this, please end this, because many times we make this common mistake. We just start the / and start, but don't end this, and it will give you a compilation error. The whole code will convert it into a basically comment, as I'm demonstrating you. See it, my whole word has been converted into comment. Now it's basically to be a mistake now, so please be careful. Now comments doesn't have much more to say, so now I'm gonna tell you something else from this. Compiler. What is a compiler? Compiler is a basically machine reader. If you write a code and say the program to read it, the compiler will do the work for you. The compiler will read the code and convert it into the computer's language. The computer's language is very different from the human languages. It is basically a syntactical language that we can't even read. So that's another topic. Assembly language is also assembly language is computer language, so you can search in the Google for that. Okay, after some videos I will discuss about it. Okay, and I am gonna tell you today what I am gonna do in the next some sessions. Okay, there are some sessions. So first I am gonna in the next video I suppose I'm gonna tell about conversion types. After that variables, after that arithmetic operations, after that the arithmetic operation video concludes, then I will move to programming a calculator. I'm gonna make a calculator. I'm gonna teach you how to make a calculator program, how you can make a calculator program. Okay, but there are 4 videos after that I will teach you what is string. Yes, I'm not a teacher, I'm not gonna teach you, I'm just gonna tell you. I am gonna share what I know to you. It's like that. Basically I'm not a pro coder or pro developer, but I just started coding 1 year back in my courses. That's another topic. Leave that. After that 4 or 5 videos I am gonna tell you iterative loops like if, else if, while, for. After that function will come, and then I will give you some tasks. If you can perform it and send me the tasks in any format, so there will must be prize for you. There will be maybe a giveaway, whatever. Leave it for now. It will be. And basically if anyone have doubts, so please tell me. And my pages are always open: YouTube, Facebook, and Gmail. As you know, I don't use WhatsApp. Basically I don't have smartphone now, so I can't use. So that's for today. What to say now more. Thank you guys, hope you enjoyed this. Please ignore my linguistic problem. That's it. I'm not very prominent about speaking English. That's prominent. Yes, prominent speaking English. Hope you enjoyed this. Thank you. Okay, one more thing I want to tell you that this was basically free programming which you can't understand now. So I'm not gonna tell it, explain it now, but at the end of this session, C programming. So I'm going to explain this whole programming, how it does work. Even if you can't understand it at this level, at this primary level, you can't even understand it. So at the end I will surely explain. And if you have any doubt regarding any programming in C, you can text me or call me. You can call me now. I will give you my number. You can call me. Okay, that's for today. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed it.